Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to hide followers on Facebook. So let's begin the video. Open Facebook, then navigate to the menu bar. Scroll down, expand settings and privacy. Then click on settings and again scroll down. And here you can see followers and public content. Click on it. Click here next to the option who can see your followers on your timeline to hide followers. So in order to hide your followers, you have to choose your audience. You can completely hide your followers by clicking only me, or you can choose friends. If you select friends, then your followers will be visible to your Facebook friends. Choose the option you prefer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments below. And I will catch you on the next one. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.